Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the PreCuts Classic December quilt box. So I know it's been a little bit since I've done an unboxing, and both of the boxes that I subscribe to have just been so back ordered. So I think it's just a supply and demand kind of thing. They're having a hard time getting some of the supplies in. So they're coming, they're just coming a little bit late. We're still going to do the unboxing and check out what was in the December box. So if you're new, I will put a link in the description box below where you can get the PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. In their little pamphlet is information about all the products. On the back, there's some coupon codes. And then if you share your boxes using hashtag PreCuts Quilt Shop or PreCuts Quilt Box, you can get entered to win next month's box for free. They also have a little block of the month in there. This one looks like it is the weather vane block. So this month's box is curated by Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics, and they have really fun, cute fabric, and so I was excited to see it in this month's box. So let's go ahead and dive right in. The first product in my box, and you always get a little spool of matching thread, so I'm getting quite the collection here. This is Silk Finish 50 weight cotton thread. This is just in a pink colorway. This is a Metler thread, and it retails for about $4. The next thing in our box is Mary Ellen's Best Press. This little bottle retails for about $4.80, and Best Press is actually one of my favorite ways to kind of starch my fabric. I don't normally starch, but this is kind of like a light to medium starch, I think, and I haven't noticed it shrinking my fabric at all, and it does make it smell really good. So if I have a block that just needs a little bit of extra help, or some fabric that's super crinkly, or if I'm working on really small blocks, I'll always use some Mary Ellen's Best Press because it really helps your blocks be a little bit more accurate, and it kind of gives them a little bit more body, especially if you're working on small pieces. Our pattern this month is called Daydreamer 2, and it retails for $9.50. It says skill level is intermediate for this one, and it is jelly roll friendly. You can also use a honey bun if you want to do a table runner, which I think is cute. So there's two different options in here. There's that quilt, and then that one on the bottom is a cute little table runner. The quilt looks like it finishes at 74 by 74, so it's a pretty good size quilt. The runner is 17 by 36, so again, a pretty decent size. We're also getting 5/8 of a yard of fabric from the Sherry and Chelsea collection. This values at $8.40, and this fabric is meant to be used for the binding required in the quilt pattern, and they chose this really cute kind of coral color with these little dots on it, and it's just such a fun print. And then lastly, and this of course is the best part, we have a full jelly roll. This is the Sherry and Chelsea Sincerely Yours collection. And these retail for about $46, somewhere in there, and this is their little Valentine's kind of inspired collection, and it is just so cute, and I love all their colors. You can kind of see all the colors here when I do the sideways view, but their fabric is so much fun, and it's always just these fun, bright colors. Of course, I'm not going to open up the jelly roll because I'll never get it back together, and they just look so pretty. So I like to just keep these in my stash until I'm ready to use them. Now, I know that it came with that cute little pattern, but I also think this would make a really fun jelly roll jamboree quilt. I'll insert a picture right here on what that looks like. It's super fast and easy to put together. So if you're looking for like a gift quilt or just something you can kind of whip up in a weekend, that is a great go-to. It uses an entire jelly roll, and then you have just enough left over to make a coordinating pillow. So that's everything that came in the December PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. I am so happy with this box. I love everything in it. The retail value for the box, including their shipping cost, was $82. The boxes are $55, and so you get really good value. One of my favorite things about these boxes is the amount of fabric that they include in their box. So you don't get samples or minis, you get like full jelly rolls and full like cuts of yardage. So I think that's so much fun, and I smelled this Caribbean beach, and it smells lovely. So I am super excited with all the contents of this box. Let me know in the comments what your favorite product was from today's video. And thank you so much for watching. As always, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I have a December classic PreCuts. I haven't done this in so long. So it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, and Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the December Classic PreCuts Classic box. The next thing in our box is this Best Press. So that's everything.